Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stacey, and if this is your first time joining me, please subscribe to my channel. It's very free, and let's be friends on social media. You can check out my Instagram, Snapchat. All the information will be in the description box. So in this video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved the braidless crochet with 2 space bunds and half down. So if you're interested in this video, please keep watching till the end. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to part my hair into 3 parts, and the largest part being that at the back, and then 2 little buns in front. I usually go for these styles because most of you who know me, I don't like to do my hair. I can't stand the pain or the time, so I think this is very quick and painless. So yeah, this is what I enjoy doing to my hair. So let's just keep watching. To slick down my hair, I used the olive oil eco styling gel, and I didn't use a lot because I didn't want a lot of gel in my hair, just a little. And I advise you not to use a lot of gel in your hair because it's gonna take long to get dry and all that stuff. So yeah, and you can use whatever gel you have just to give the smoothness. Please don't mind me bursting out laughing. I was watching a comedy show, or rather listening to a comedy show. So if you see me bursting out laughing throughout the video, just don't think I'm crazy. I'm just listening to something very funny. Now I'm just going to tie down my hair so it can get dry, and when that is done, I'll be back to continue with the other steps. For this style, I'll be using the Jamaican bounce crochet in the color T27, and I used about 3 packets, 2 at the back, or more than 2 at the back, and in front I just used a little and then fluffed it out. So if you don't know how to crochet, please just watch what I'm doing. I don't really know how to explain in words. Just watch keenly and then you understand what I'm doing. Make sure you crochet around the bun, not on the bun, because if you crochet on the bun, to take it down it's gonna be very difficult. So just crochet around the bun until it's fuller and the bun is completely covered.
Never enough.
So now I'll go ahead and crochet around the buns in front, maybe about 5 wands of hair, and then I'll have to separate the curls and then tie it up around the bun and secure it with a bobby pin or many bobby pins. As long as the hair is secured, then yeah. I just went ahead and added some hair to where I found that it was necessary to. Yeah, so you can always check and see which area is lacking and then add some more hair to cover up everything. And then I went ahead to separate the curls so that the hair can look fuller and cute, as you can see. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Hope you liked it. Please thumbs up, subscribe and share my video. You can also join me on Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.